If you haven't noticed by now, I got me little bangs going on. So today I am wetting my hair because it's gross. It needs to be washed because it's oily, it's greasy. Time for me to wash this garbage. Wait, let me fix my hair, I look crazy. So, just jumping right into it, not gibbering too much. I am going to be using coconut extra virgin oil. Before I put some shampoo on it or water, because they say it's good to put something, I guess like a protective barrier around your hair before you end up washing it from when it's straightened, because it could destroy the strips of the curls. I'm also going to be using this again. This is what I use for my deep conditioner. Starting with my hair, I'm gonna put this right here. I'm gonna split it in half, like so. Isn't it cute? Oh my god. You can tell your hair is super duper greasy and gross when you can see through it. That's how long I had not washed my hair out. So, yeah. By the way, I forgot to turn off my air conditioner in the background, so hopefully I talk loud enough for you to hear me. My hair looks like I'm in a movie and it's raining on my head, but this is it. Now I'm gonna put that deep conditioner stuff. That deep conditioner stuff in my head. I'm not gonna really section off. I'm just gonna get it started. Now I am going to hop in the shower. I'm not gonna show you guys all that much. I do want to add that I do wrap my hair up when I get inside the shower. I put a plastic bag on my head because your girl don't got a head cap. I leave it on while I'm in the shower so it can steam all up, and then I take it off, wash out my hair with my shampoo and conditioner. And that's it, pretty much. And then I just put my hair in twists at night, just so my hair can get nourishment and so it's taken care of after I wash it out. So that is pretty much for this video. I'll probably show you guys what it looks like after I'm done with the shower. Who knows how I feel then. But if I don't, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, you can give it a thumbs up, and if you like me, you can subscribe to my channel, and I promise you, you won't regret it. Of course, before I forget, if you want to see more of me, you can go follow my social medias, which is my Snapchat and my Instagram. You'll like me a lot if you do it, just saying. Good night, guys.